hot out today, huh? It's 90 degrees. Can you believe it? Okay. Go ahead, Bob. We've got quite a runner going. Holy cow. Good job, darling. Good girl, Rio. Look at that runner, darling. Wow, good. Oh, wait, come here, Rio. Rio, come. Thank you, Gail. Good. Well, that was a heck of a runner. Good for you. Good for you. Okay, darling. It's hot. It's icky. You just trailed all over. I don't think that we want over here. I don't think we want to do that again. Okay. Rio. We just gave her a nice easy setup bird to have her be steady on something after the big long runner. We took a good line. She hit the feather fall. And oh, that bird was running too. Wow.
Oh, man.
All right. I thought she mismarked it, but she was trailing it. Good job. Come on, hot dog. Good job. All the way in. Thank you. Good dog. Good. Good. Okay, that's